Hello everyone, my name is Justine Green and in my group is Carrie Emmenheiser and Roxana Wilson. For our lesson plan we did locomotor. This lesson plan is called Running Like Animals and it focuses on kindergarten locomotor skills. In this lesson the teacher will introduce the different speeds of a sloth, a giraffe, and a cheetah. It will consist of running slow, moderately, and fast. To check for understanding, the students will then run in place at the speed of each animal. Once everyone understands the difference in speed, the students will then run 3 laps around the school gym, doing a slow lap, a medium lap, and then a fast lap. At the end of this, the teacher will then assess the students by having them run their fastest lap, and this teacher will time them. The time will be given to the student, and the teacher will then make a goal to make the time faster the next time they do this lesson. The learning objectives for psychomotor is the students will be able to learn properly, demonstrate the difference between speeds of slow, medium, and fast by using locomotor skills and comparing the speeds to the animals. For the cognitive, the students will be able to understand the different speeds of animals compared to humans by using locomotor skills and watching their classmates. For affective, the students will be able to respect their classmates' level of performance and to complete the task properly and appropriately. For content standards, we have the first one with travel within a large group without bumping into each other. Since they are running in the gym, we do not want them bumping into each other and falling. For the second one is to demonstrate contrast between slow and fast speeds. Since they are running in place, we want them to compare the fast speed with the slow movements. And for the third one is to identify the locomotor skills of walk, jog, and run. The students will walk like a sloth, jog like a giraffe, and run like a cheetah. For modifications, for English language learners, the teacher will provide visual cues to compare the different types of speeds. For kids with physical disabilities, the teacher will use cones to make the track in the gym smaller so they are still able to do the lesson, but just make it smaller for them. For kids with vision problems, the teachers will be very descriptive when describing the speeds so the children are able to understand it correctly. We also wanted to address some multiple intelligence, and for visual spatial, the learners will see the pictures of animals and able to make the connection of the animal speeds. For body kinesthetic, the learning through running in place and running laps. For naturalistic, the students can benefit by doing this activity outside, and for interpersonal, the students will enjoy discussing with a partner and running as a group. For equipment, materials, and location, the equipment we need is cones, but this is not necessary if there is no child with physical disabilities. And then for materials, we did pictures of animals on a chart with different speeds, as you can see right here, and a marker to write down the different speeds on the chart. And for the location, we could use a school gym, but we could also use an outside field. For the teaching cues, we have running and walking, and for running, we want the students to strive for larger stride strength, maintain 90-degree bend of upper and lower arm, maintain bend in arm, swing arm and hand in an arc. Thighs should be parallel to the ground, and you should always focus straight ahead. For walking, you should always point toes forward, swing arms rhythmically and opposite to legs, and heel contacts the floor initially, and then foot rolls forward to push off the toe. For assessment, the students will be assessed by understanding their knowledge by running the speed of the animals directed by their teacher. So for instance, if the teacher tells them to walk and then a child is running, they do not understand the knowledge. The teacher will activate students' background knowledge by asking how fast they think animals and humans can run by comparing the two speeds. For the formative assessment, the students will run the place at the speed of each animal, run in place. And for the summative assessment, the teacher will time the students their last lap as fast as they can run. For observing and meeting objectives, we will observe every activity that children do. Since it is a group activity, we will know who might be struggling and who might not be struggling. The teacher will always look to see if the children do not bump into each other and fall when running around the gym and running in place. By running around the gym, children will understand what slow and fast speeds look like, and children will show the teacher that they know how to walk, jog, and run properly. So how do we know if the students got it? We know that the students got it when we observe them running or walking the correct speed of each lap. The teachers will ask questions about what they learned to see if most of them understand the reason of this lesson. If the teachers think that their students have successfully accomplished everything, they will then assign homework. For the homework, the students will be able to cut out magazine or newspaper clippings of fast, medium, and slow animals. So they might cut out a cow for slow and a lion for fast. So this is our video portion of the lesson done by Carrie, and then this is our reference page. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy.